So, ito na, hawak na natin ang Lenovo Legion Y900 na 11-incher. So, in today's video, I will walk you through how to set up ito. Dahil this is a China ROM phone, so I'm pretty sure na there probably are, most of you hindi nyo alam paano i-install na maayos to. So, follow all the steps, step by step gagawin na naman natin right after this quick intro. So, pag boot up mo, this is the screen you'll see. ZUX OS. Pinda mo lang yung arrow. So by default, no, kasi since China ROM, naka-Chinese siya. So there's only 3 languages that you can choose from. English, Simplified Chinese, or Traditional Chinese. So English tayo, definitely. So slide all the way down, mag-agree and continue ka lang. Now next, we have to connect to our network. So you can, kung meron kang Lenovo ID, you can log in. Since wala ako, I can log in later. You can import your data or not. Since tutorial lang naman to, import later. Ito pwede kayo mag-set, no? Lock screen, facial. Since hindi ko na i-run down yan, just skip it. Ito, i-ano nyo lang doon, no? Best if you turn this one on. Automatic software update, no? Nightly system update, okay lang. I don't mind. You can turn this one on or off. Yung Lenovo na experience program. Gesture or 3 button. Malamang ako gesture. I'll go for gesture. Can unlock a personalized experience. Yung lighting effect niya sa likod. I'll skip this one kasi hindi gagana to sa atin. No? It won't be speaking in English. TNC agent. This is the parang Siri ng Lenovo. No? Pero it speaks in Chinese, so it's useless sa'yo. So, about to be ready. Antay lang natin. No? Yan. Start your tablet journey. So, yun na. This is yung pinaka home screen natin. Malinis, no? And probably if you want to remove all of these, no? Kasi marami dito hindi natin nagagamit. Just simply delete it. No? Ayan lang. Mawala na yan. Isa-isa. Yung mga hindi mo kailangan. Hindi naman sila, bloatware. It's more pre-installed app. Like sa atin, when you buy, it comes with GCash, Shopee. Kung sino nagbabayad dito sa brand, no, ilalagay nila yung mga apps niya. No? Parang sort of advertising na rin. So, next is to go to App Center. Ito, importante to. I'll walk you through paano maglagay ng Google Play Store since this is a China ROM. No? Expert na, kulit. Check mo to. And then, click mo to na sa taas. Agree. Okay. Terms and condition lang naman siya. Nothing really fancy. So, just select this one. Okay. Others. Anong hilig mo? Hindi mo na others. May update siya. So, later ka na. Okay. Just click continue. Click this one para skip. Kung di, lahat yan installin niya. Skip. Yan. Okay. So, probably you won't be able to read this kasi everything's in Chinese. All you need to do is just click yung search bar. Agree ka lang. This is for the keyboard. Yan. Pinod mo to para maging English keyboard. Yan. English keyboard na siya. Google Play. Yan. Google Play. Install. Antay mo lang. It depends kung how fast yung internet mo. So, doon naka-base kung gaano siya kabilis mag-install. So, since hindi naman kabilis ang internet ko today, so let's just wait. So, installing. Okay, kailangan mong pindutin agad to. Enable Google Services na. Enable mo to. Kung hindi mo magagamit si Google, enable. Okay. So, naka-enable na tayo. Close app. Okay lang. Link. Open. Sign in. Dapat makapasok ka dito. Okay. Once na nakapasok ka, wala ka na problema. Ayan. Okay na. So, I'll just enter my credentials. So, yan, no? Okay. Na-install na natin. Nakapasok na tayo. The first thing that I'll teach you to do is to install Gboard. Mahirap gamitin kasi mga Chinese keyboard. So, download mo lang si Gboard. This is basically the Google keyboard. Then, we'll remove yung mga Chinese keyboards. Just follow my instruction. Antayin lang natin ma-install, no? Medyo gapang ang internet ko ngayon. No? So, since maulan, probably yan ang reason. Open. Okay, accept. Enable in settings. Enable natin. Okay, so to turn on mo to. Yan. Okay. Then, i-shutdown natin si Sogood saka si, Android Keyboard ASOP. Okay. Yan. So, slide back. Select input method. Gboard. Yan. Okay na. Diba? Then, you can choose your preferences. Ako, hindi ako mahilig sa mga to. Naiinis ako. No? Suggestion strip. I hate those. Okay. So, now you have a really decent na Google keyboard. Yan. Diba? Wala nang Chinese text. No? Kasi kanina meron ka pang choice dito eh. Chinese or English. Diba? And, yeah, basically, na-rundown ko na kayo on some of the most important things na you would do on your new Lenovo Legion Y900. 11 or 13 inches, the same system update na. I advise you to regularly update na yung systems para mas efficient siya. Okay? Remove mga bugs and known problems. So, yan guys. Pretty much it para dito sa Lenovo Legion Y900 11 or 13 works both ways, or even sa Y70 it's the same din. So, ayan guys, if you like this video, don't forget to share to your friends. Ano ba naman mag-like kayo and subscribe to sa akin channel if you find this one helpful. And of course, I hope to see you on my next tutorial.